Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a superscription in PowerPoint presentation. Before that, click on the start button here. So you'll be directed to Microsoft Office here. So here you can go for click on the PowerPoint icon. So here you click on the blank presentation. So we'll get this layout. Let me change this layout as title and content. So this is title and content. So this is a triangle of it, and if this is a triangle, so if you want to write the Pythagoras theorem according to this triangle, Pythagoras theorem is z equal to b square bc square. So this is not exactly the ac square into equal to bc square plus bc square. So in order to make it AC square into B exactly, so first copy this here so that you will come to know a difference. So if you want to make this 2 to superposition, before that select the 2 and go for the, here you are seeing something font, you are seeing the font. Now see here there is an arrow mark, click on that arrow mark. So you will be directed to this box here. In this box you are going to see some superscript of take on here. Just click on here so that right click is there. Then you will be like if you want to make it 40%, 50%, or depends on the size, you can adjust here. This is the offset size, so you can change or decrease or increase the size of the super. And at last click on the OK button. So now the 2 is in the superposition. Similarly do it on the other option, the other AB square also. Similarly superposition, click OK, then again it has get into superposition similarly, and convert this to into superscript. Similarly I will do the same thing here also. So now it is looking like a classically Pythagoras theorem, exactly the square position. The 2 is in exactly the square position, not adjacent to the letters. That is x square is equal to ab square plus bc square. So this is how you can convert 2 into superposition using the PowerPoint. So if you are new to this PowerPoint presentation, like if you are facing difficulty in doing superscription, this video might help you. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.